This morning, Carrie Wayne and I are once again calling for coyotes in deep South Arkansas. We're set up in a creek bottom alongside the edge of a briars and bullshit thicket, sure to hold predators. We'll start out with a little bird distress, see if anything's hungry.
I can see him now. No. It's behind a tree. Alright, I'm on him. Oh, no. All I can see is, no, I can't see him. He was fitting to run. I know you wasn't on him, but I had to shoot him. He had his big down up there. Even when I shot him the first time, I shot him through all kinds of crap. But he done looked over here, he had us.
He had you, because I was behind that big tree.
Oh, he done took that step back. And he looked like he was going to wheel, and he looked back at the call.
It worked out good. I got all that too.
I know it took a couple shots to get that coyote, 3 shots actually. I don't know if I had to put that last one in. But with him on the edge of that thicket, I wasn't going to take no chances. And the first shot, that's why we shoot the apex stuff, because I didn't want to take the shot. Because I had so many saplings to shoot through. I know he wasn't on camera then either, but I've learned to go ahead and get them killed, because if you don't kill them, you educate them, and sometimes you have to risk not getting the footage. But I got him with the first shot, crippled him up good enough to put him down. And even on that second shot, shot him through all kinds of bull crap.
Say, I don't know how you got him through all that.
Oh, it's like that, just little gaps. And then the third shot, I seen him still had his head up. So I just went ahead and finished him off to be sure. We'll keep on calling. That worked out perfect. Man. Suckers always come in the blind spot, seem like. That's MFK Deadwood Woody. Brand new woodpecker sound. This was our 4th stand this morning. First two stands were blank, all blind calling. We didn't do any locating prior to this hunt. We're just calling thicket edges, mainly blind calling. In this set, we sat down here, and I went right into a new sound called Deadwood Woody. And it's a woodpecker sound, brand new woodpecker sound. Probably hadn't been playing 4 or 5 minutes, maybe. If that. Probably more like 3 or 4. And sure enough, on this thicket edge, we're kind of sitting on a draw. And the wind is primarily coming back up the side of the draw we're on. And right across the draw on this thicket edge, coyotes come out. We had this, it gave us a crosswind setup. We had the caller sitting down here about, I don't know, 25, 30 yards in front of us. And those coyotes come out downwind of that call right across the draw. So first coyote, we'll take a look at him and then go make another stand. What the sleep? Talking about how big it was. It must have been a damn giant.
That's a big sucker there.
That's cold.
Golly.
My old wore out shoulders won't hardly handle him. Oh yeah. That's an older coyote too. Got a good bit of wear on his teeth. Ain't much to talk about. I pretty much told y'all how the hunt played out. Just a big pretty male cow. To get the sounds, just go to the website, mfkgamecalls.com. We've just released a bunch of new ones, including the Deadwood Woody sound that we called this coyote up with. And if you want to see us doing a lot of killing, just subscribe to that channel. It's the one you're watching now, MFK Game Calls on YouTube. A lot of instructional stuff on there and a whole pile of killing. So we appreciate y'all watching. We're going to go try to kill another one.